All right. Hey, this is Shishi. Well, my coworker know me as Honor, but that's not why I'm on here. Wanted to say something. I wanted to go over the interview with Boardman. First of all, I want to know why the fuck he even went to the Breakfast Club, getting all upset with his non-speaking English ass. Okay, looking like a fucking. What do he look like, Janisha?
A damn Birdman.
Milk dud. That look like a bald head turkey. That's what the fuck he look like. But I'm just gonna show the clip, and I'm gonna just ask something like between me and my coworker, but it's to the camera because I want to know, can somebody explain this to me? What the fuck he was talking about? Maybe somebody from New Orleans or something, because me and Janisha didn't get what the fuck this nigga was talking about. So maybe y'all can clear this up for us. Can you see this girl? Can you see it? You gotta bring it closer.
Y'all ready? Yes, sir. I want to start this shit off straight. Telling all three of y'all stop playing with my name. Let's go on in. Let's go. Stop playing with my fucking name. Let's do it on camera. Stop playing with my name. Let's go right on in. Nigga, when my name come up, respect it. Let's go. Stop playing with my fucking name. All three of y'all.
Okay, so we're gonna start right there. Tanisha, every time I hear this nigga, wait. First of all, what the fuck is respect? Respect, not respect. Respect.
Respect.
Nigga. Tanisha. Janisha, seriously, did this nigga, and all three of y'all. And just like Charlamagne said, right, he said, well, why you didn't say nothing to Rick Ross or Trick Daddy when they said something about your name? Well, I ain't come up here for that. I just came up here, gonna take his little shades off and shit. First of all, maybe because they don't respect you. And I ain't come up here for them. I came up here for all three of y'all. Is that a number, Janisha?
That ain't even no number, bruh.
Is that something that grows in the ground tree? Or is that the number 3? Because I'm tree, Janisha. Now, I'm sure in New Orleans they have like an education system. I'm very well aware of that. First of all, when I moved to Florida, I thought that when people said back, they mentioned and said bike. But after hearing this nigga right here, no. Respect and tree, I think you know what? Janisha, I swear to God, I'm not being funny. Nigga, no.
That shit is really hurting you, huh? You feel that shit in your heart, huh?
This nigga is ignorant. There we go. I could say nigga. Like, no, I'm not gonna say nigga. I'm gonna call him a negro. Cause in the dictionary that shit mean ignorant. And just because you're a rapper and you have money, what he should have done, see, I'm speaking correct English now. What he should have done was take all that fucking money that he was making and get some goddamn English classes. Cause first of all, he, as a rapper, I don't, do you understand anything he be saying when he rap? I'm no, Janisha, for real.
I don't listen to his rap music.
No, but when he be on people like songs and shit, and they say, like, when he comes on, does anybody understand what the fuck he be talking about? Because I never could. And then for you to pull your grill out, you see?
He spit that bitch right out.
Like he was vomiting. Right out. Like he vomit the grill out. I said, did this nigga just chew up his grill and swallow? And regurgitate it like he was a Papa Bird. Oh, Boardman. You get it? Bird. I'ma just leave everybody with this. When I come into the room, I'ma need y'all respect. Respect me and all three of y'all. He was saying all three of them. Three of them. I'm out. That's it. Honor. Peace.